At 7 p.m. on November 9th, 1989, Günter Schabowski announced East Germany would finally allow free transit to the West. People thought this sounded too good to be true, and it was. Schabowski had misunderstood instructions, but by the time he realized it, it was too late. Hop on the history machine. After months of intense protests and decades of strict transit policies in the Soviet bloc, the news spread like wildfire, and East Berliners flocked to the wall's checkpoints. Earlier that day, and for the past 3 decades, attempting to cross the wall would have meant the last thing they did. Stunned guards at the wall looked at how thousands approached, but as hours went by, crowds grew bigger, and so did anxiety. The wall became the setting of a tense standoff between East Berliners and guards, who mulled over whether to stop the people short or to keep calm. Eventually, the outnumbered officers had no choice but to let the avalanche of people through, and soon enough, the border crossings became overwhelmed. Western onlookers caught on and cheered as Easterners crossed unchecked for the first time in years. Enthusiasm grew, and all kinds of people began clambering up the wall and helping Easterners join them at the top. Others, men, women, young and old, took braver measures and began beating down the wall with whatever they could find. The fall of the Berlin Wall wasn't only a preamble to the dissolution of the USSR. The pictures of the wall's spontaneous demolition provided the world with images of common people overpowering authoritarian systems, which were themselves symbols of brotherly reconciliation and the possibility of a brighter future. Are you a real history buff? Subscribe to our channel